All right, I'm doing some spark plugs on my CTSV, and yeah, it's not easy, man, but you got to have patience and persistence. So these are the tools what we need. That one, and this one here has a magnet, just in case you drop something, gets in between stuff. You might need a universal. You definitely need this. This one here is to pull the boot off, and this one here is to pry the boot off using this one to hold on, and then using it'll pop right out. This one here is, you may need this to pick up stuff. This one here, I don't think you need this one. You don't need this one. Take that out of the picture. Then you take an old spark plug wire, and then you cut the end off, and you put the spark plug in there, and that way you could screw the spark plug in and use the tail to rotate it around. So that's the tools that you need. And then hey, you look in there, geez man, it's like I don't think you could see anything, but it's tough. My hand, look at my big old fat hand, can't even get in there. So see, that's how much room you have to get in there. The other side is okay, it's a little bit more room. It doesn't look from room from here, but you can get more. It's in there. You can get in there. Believe me, it's a lot easier there than it is over here. So this is my CTSV changer plugs. All right, the ones missing. Let's do this. There's a missing plug right there. That's number 1, 3, 5, and 7. That's how 3 looks like. The gap is let's see, the gap is fine. This is after like 97,000 miles, and that's number 5 right there. That's number 7. So I don't know if I can zoom up. There you go. Yeah, it's kind of blurry, but anyway, yeah, I got it. Number 1 is there's a lot of stuff in the way, so I might have to take the air cleaner out and see if I got any room to do that. But so far it's those 3. So that's it. Going back over here. Got to do it. If you haven't changed it, like this is almost 100,000 miles, like 95,000. So anyway, you guys have good luck out there. Just have patience and persistence. All right, later.